One, two, three. First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to the Soup and beloved is our teacher here. My name is Hassan Nang. I am in Thai Before. Look to at the National School. Campus 19, Sayao Kilometer number 10. Today I have the honor to do my presentation. My topic is what strategy have we teaching English grammar. So teaching English grammar can be challenging, but using effective strategy can make it easier for both teacher and student. It's important to create a positive learning environment. Use clear example and engage students in activities. So I have three main points. The first, use clear example. So the teacher please use clear example to make a sentence of the student. Like example, he study English, so it's clear like he is a subject, studies is a verb. So if the teacher use clear example, the student is easy to understand and they know how the sentence appear. Second, practice with game. So you can use fun game to practice with grammar. You can play like smart word or correct sentences. Game make learning exciting and help students remember better. Third, group writing. So use group writing. Give the student write together in a group. They can create sentences or short story as a team. So this can help them learn from each other and make writing less scary. So or you can give them to writing contest about the topic of the grammar, like writing about the adverb or irregular verb, and give 5 minutes to do to write, like that. So this strategy can make learning grammar fun and easy for everyone. So now my topic is come to the end. Thank you, the Soup and beloved as a here for paying attention to the Thank you.